Now our motto determine what about x? 3 to power x plus 2 equal to 9 to power 2x minus 3. Then what about x? Simply this one written 3 to power x plus 2, and here 9 is also 9 is written as how much? 3 into 3 means 3 to power 2. So that why written 3 square to whole power 2x minus 3. After that multiplication of 2 into here apply m to power n, that is how much? 8 to power m into n. So 2 into 2x, that is 4x, and 2 into 3, that is how much? 6x. 6. Okay. After that base are same, both case left hand side and right hand side bases are same, then power is equating. These two power are equal. So after solving this, how much? That is 3x. This will equal to, if 6 is going on here, that is how much? 8. So 3x this will equal to 8 by 3 is the right answer. Make it.